Hi everybody, I'm Dan with Vox Electronics, and today we're going to talk about the Vox ADAS ADVBSD30. Let's open up the box and take a look at what's included in the kit. Okay, as we open up this kit, you can see there are a lot of components in this box. First thing we want to take a look at are the blind spot sensors themselves. These are radar-based sensors, and they're designed to be mounted behind a plastic bumper of the vehicle. We have our main control module, we have a main wiring harness, and we have two sensor extension wiring harnesses. Also included in this kit are two different mounting options. The first one is a plastic mounting bracket. These brackets are used to secure the sensor behind the plastic bumper directly to the plastic bumper itself. Also included in the kit are two metal brackets to mount the sensors. These brackets are designed to be mounted to the vehicle body behind the plastic bumper. The arms are bendable so that you can install them to the vehicle body, and then we even have a fine-tuned sensor mounting surface right here so that you can align the sensor properly once it's installed. We have an accessory bag with our LED indicators, our GPS antenna, and a speaker for audible tone. One of the best parts of this kit is the sensor alignment tool. This tool is used to align the sensor on the vehicle to make sure you have the proper angle for detection. And then finally, we have our installation guide. We want to make sure we read the installation guide from front to back before we get into the vehicle. That way we know what the installation takes before we're actually doing the work. All right, thanks for taking a look at the ADVBSD30 with us today. If you have any questions, you can go to voxelectronics.com.